In a move that has left many scratching their heads, Ohio lawmakers have proposed the most insane law ever. 2 Ohio lawmakers are proposing a bill so strange and unheard of, it boggles the mind. It sounds like something straight out of a movie. The bill, which is dubbed the Conception Begins at Erection Act, seeks to make it a felony for men to have unprotected sex if they have zero plans of having a child. The representatives that passed the bill, Anita Somani and Tristan Rader, have made it clear that although they don't expect the bill to pass, they want to make a point about reproductive rights, most especially the absurdity of certain laws targeting a woman's body. And boy, this bill has a unique point. One glance at the reception of this bill, and you can hear the gasps and confusion from the male population of Ohio. One local resident by the name of Jake Heflin said, "I mean, if this passes, every male in Ohio is going to be a criminal. It's just insane. I don't think anybody will be able to go to a bar without being asked about their baby-making intentions first. You'll need a permission slip before getting frisky, or you might get arrested for it." Another resident of Ohio, Kyle Drost, echoed similar opinions, saying, "It sounds insane, a little wild. It sounds a little, I don't know, abnormal. I mean, what's next? Are we going to need a license to have a one-night stand?" The bill, which was based on a similar bill in Mississippi, was first proposed by Representative Anita Somani, who has been an OB/GYN for more than 30 years, and she has seen firsthand just how much damage these restrictive laws have had on women. Men can go to any state in the United States and have the same rights no matter where they are, Somani explained. The bill only makes it a felony without wanting a baby. At the same time, it comes with exceptions. It doesn't apply to those who engage in protected sex or donate sperm. It also doesn't apply to members of the LGBTQ+ community. While the bill is highly unlikely to pass because, let's be for real, the lawmakers behind it are using it to pass a very specific point. We are in a time where women's rights, especially their reproductive rights, are chipped away by state legislatures across the country, and the Conception Begins at Erection Act is more or less a bold attempt to turn the tables and hold men accountable in the same way as women. Somani is primarily concerned about the trend of anti-abortion laws spreading through the state. In 2023, Ohioans passed Issue 1, enshrining abortion rights in the state's constitution. But most importantly, she fears the most restrictive bills, particularly those that aim to recognize fetuses as people, could cause all that women have worked hard for could go in vain. So basically, the act is just a way of Somani saying, if you want to regulate women's bodies, then regulate those of men as well. While the potential of the bill coming into play is relatively slim, it still serves as a symbolic gesture that is getting people talking. After all, it's not every day you see a bill saying unprotected sex, which has become a norm in modern-day culture, should attract felony charges and hefty fines. And when I say hefty, I mean $10,000 hefty. So whether you believe the bill to be hilarious or thought-provoking, one thing remains clear. It's a conversation starter. And who knows, it might be the beginning of more unorthodox ideas in the ongoing debate about reproductive rights. But for the time being, Ohio's men, and maybe every other American man, can rest easy. But maybe give a little thought the next time they find themselves in moments of passion.